Yo, what's up guys? Today we'll be checking out how you can set up this dark minimal theme onto your Windows 10 PC. With that being said, if you end up liking this video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's begin the show. So I'll be providing up all the links for the files in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So first let's start up with setting up the wallpaper. So I've chosen up this minimal darkish wallpaper with a triangle and a glitch. So let's install up the rain meter setup, and there you go, the rain meter is set now. Now simply unload some of the skins which are not necessary for this setup. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and install up the raw time skin that will be provided up in the description box below, and simply go ahead and load the skin. You need to simply adjust the coordinates so that it gets placed up in the desired position. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and paste up these themes into the specified folder. So you need to go to the C drive and to the Windows and to the resources and then to the themes. So in the themes folder, simply paste these both files and give the administrative permissions for pasting of these files, and then go to the theme session and you can apply the theme. But before you apply the theme, make sure that you install the patcher. So just a second. So right up here you can see the theme is now changed to black, but it's not completely changed, the icons remain the same. So we need to install this Ultra UX patcher to patch the theme. So simply go ahead and install up the theme patcher. So once done, you can go ahead and hide up the taskbar, so it is the auto hide. And you need to also remove up these icons from the desktop. So let's go ahead and do that. Go to the personalize and choose up the desktop icons and hide the recycle bin and the PC. So after you're done with that, you can go ahead and install up the Llano visualizer for the beats that we're gonna create for the music. So this is the Llano visualizer. So you can also go ahead and customize each and every segment of this according to the customization you require. So right from the scale, width, height, color, and every damn thing of the visualizer you need, you can just customize it and set it to your priorities. So after you're done with that, simply reboot your system once, and once you're done, you're good to go. So the dark minimal theme is right in here. Well, that's pretty much it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Hemant Raj signing out for now. I'll catch you guys next time. Till then, peace out.